Hello students, in today's class we are going to study some operation on irrational numbers, right? So my name is Ashok Kumar Kumaut, we are at VPS Shikshan Sansthan. Let's get started. Alright, so some operation on irrational number. So these are the questions, examples, and we are going to solve these questions, and this will give you an idea that what are the operations on irrational numbers. So first example 12. Example 12 is check whether 7 root 5, 7 upon root 5, root 2 plus 21, pi minus 2 are irrational or not. तो हमें एक बात ध्यान रखनी है, वन थिंग वी नीड टू कीप इन माइंड दैट इरेशनल नंबर को आप किसी वैल्यू में ऐड कर दो, वेदर यू सब्ट्रैक्ट दैट नंबर या सब्ट्रैक्ट समथिंग फ्रॉम इरेशनल नंबर, यस, और सब्ट्रैक्ट इरेशनल फ्रॉम सम वैल्यू, डिवाइड इरेशनल नंबर बाय सम वैल्यू, और some values divided into irrational number, all will be resulted into a new irrational number, right? So आप मल्टीप्लाई करो, डिवाइड करो, प्लस करो या माइनस करो, अगर आप इरेशनल वैल्यू के साथ में कुछ भी प्लस माइनस मल्टीप्लाई और डिवीजन कर रहे हो, then we will get a new irrational number. That is called closure property, right? Now closure property is like if we multiply, but it is like a closure property but not a completely closure property. क्लोजर प्रॉपर्टी में क्या होता है कि हम मान लो रैशनल नंबर को रैशनल नंबर से ऐड या मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं, डिवाइड करते हैं, सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हैं, देन वी गेट अ न्यू रैशनल नंबर, राइट? इफ वी मल्टीप्लाई एन इरेशनल नंबर to a new irrational number, then we get a rational number, right? So closure property is not true, but what I said that it is like closure property if we multiply rational to irrational, if we add rational to irrational, if we divide rational to irrational, then we will get our answer as irrational number, right? So मेरे ख्याल से क्लियर हो गया होगा. So all these values are irrational. Now some operation, add two root 2 plus 5 root 3. हमें प्लस करना है विद रूट 2 माइनस 3 root 3. So I can rearrange 2 root 2 plus root 2 plus 5 root 3 minus 3 root 3. Root 2 is common, then we have 2 plus 1. Root 3 is common, then we have 5 minus 3. So 2 plus 1 3, then we get 3 root 2 plus 5 minus 3 gives us 2, then 2 root 3 is our answer. Then we need to multiply, that is our example 14. We need to multiply 6 root 5 into 2 root 5. Now multiply rational to rational, irrational to irrational, और जो विदाउट स्क्वायर रूट है उनको मल्टीप्लाई कर दो और जो स्क्वायर रूट वाली है उनको मल्टीप्लाई कर दो. देन वी हैव 6 into 2 root 5 into root 5. This is how you can write. So this is 72 and रूट की वैल्यू को रूट की सेम वैल्यू से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो स्क्वायर रूट हम हटा देते हैं, राइट? सो इट इज 5. Then multiply 5 into 72, so 5 to 10, 36. This is our example 14. Now example 15. What is example 15? Divide 8 upon root 15 by 2 root 3. Now look closely how we can do it. 8 into or 8 root 5 can 15 can be written root 5 into root 3 and it is root 3. Root 3 से root 3 cancel. 2 divided into 8 gives us 4. Answer is 4 root 5. Right? Now, okay, so next example is example 16. There are some questions. We need to simplify those questions. First, 5 plus root 7 is multiplied by 2 plus root 5. So it is simple multiplication which we have studied by algebraic method. So 5 into 2, 10. 5 into root 5, 5 root 5. Then root 7 into 2, 2 root 7. And plus root 7 into root 5. Okay. So we have answer as root 10 plus 5 root 5 plus 2 root 7 plus 7. इसको हम लिख सकते हैं 7 into 5. Then 10 plus 5 root 5 plus 2 root 7 plus root 35 is our answer. Now you can put values of root 5, root 7, root 35 and more further you can more simplify it, but this is all we can do here and आप भी यहाँ तक करके छोड़ सकते हो if अगर आपको पूछा नहीं है आगे करने के लिए. Second question we have 5 plus root 5 and 5 minus root 5. Now you look closely, then we have a plus b and a minus b. What is this identity? This is a square minus b square. So we can have 5 square minus root 5 square. So 5 square is 25 and root को स्क्वायर करेंगे तो रूट कैंसिल हो जाएगा and we get 5. Answer is 20. तो सिंपल है. Next we have third question is root 3 plus root 7 square. So we have a plus b whole square is a square b square plus 2ab. So put values. A square root 3 square, b square root 7 square, 2a. A is root 3, b is root 7. We can cancel square root by square, then 3 plus root is cancelled 7 plus 2 root 21. 3 plus 7 10 plus 2 root 21 is our answer. One more question we have. It is 11 minus 17, root 11 minus root 17 multiply root 11 plus root 17. So again we have a minus b, a plus b equals to a square minus b square. So put a square, 11 square minus b square, 17 square. So 11 minus 17 we have minus 6 as our answer. So this is how we can do some operations on irrational numbers. Now the next topic is an important topic. Next topic is rationalizing. What is rationalizing? We need to make an irrational number into rational number. This is called rationalizing. Now question is rationalize the denominator. Now you can see three types of question are here. 1 upon root 2, 1 upon 2 plus root 3, 5 upon root 3 minus root 5, and 1 upon 7 plus 3 root 2. You can observe the difference. It looks simple, then it's look a bit complicated, then more complication, and same या अपन बोल सकते हैं थोड़ा सा कॉम्प्लिकेटेड है लेकिन इजी है. देखो हम अगर हमें रेशनलाइज करना है डिनोमिनेटर को, एंड वी कैन रेशनलाइज न्यूमरेटर आल्सो, बट we have asked to do denominator and the same method goes for numerator also. So rationalizing the denominator means हमें denominator का रूट हटाना है, right? So example 17 is 1 by root 2. We need to rationalize the denominator, means I have to remove this square root from denominator. So what can I do? I do multiply and divide by root 2. अगर डिनोमिनेटर पर सिंगल वैल्यू है तो हम उसको सेम वैल्यू से मल्टीप्लाई और डिवाइड कर सकते हैं. सो व्हाट वी हैव नाउ root 2 into root 2 upon root 2, so it becomes root 2, and we can cancel. Same value is multiplied by same value, then we can remove the square root, so it becomes 2. So root 2 upon 2 is our answer. We have rationalized the denominator. If this question is like this, root 2 upon 2, root 2 upon 1, and we are asked to rationalize the numerator, then we do the same thing again, root 2 upon root 2, right? It becomes 2 and root 2. This is how we rationalize the numerator. So that was example 17. Moving on to example 18. Example 18 is rationalize the denominator of 1 upon root 3. Now there are two values, 2 plus root 3. So what we need to do? We need to change this sign in. अगर ये माइनस होता तो प्लस करते, प्लस होता तो माइनस करते. So we have to change the sign, and then we do divide and multiply by the number. So by changing this sign we get 2 minus root 3. So what we do now? Dividing and multiplying by 2 minus root 3. So 1 upon 2 plus root 3 into 2 minus root 3, 2 minus root 3. Now what we can write? 1 into 2 minus root 3, and this is a plus b, this is a minus b, becomes a square minus b square. So a square is 2 square minus b square is root 3 square. So we have 2 minus root 3 and 2 square 4, root 3 square 3. So we get 2 minus root 3 upon 1, or 2 minus root 3 is our answer. So we have rationalized the denominator. Denominator से हमने रूट हटा दिया है, आप देख सकते हो, right? Now example 19. Example 19 is 5 upon root 3 minus root 5. Same method goes for this also. We need to divide and multiply by, change the sign, we get root 3 plus root 5, right? Now what we do, 5 upon root 3 minus root 5 into root 3 plus root 5 upon root 3 plus root 5. It can be written as 5 root 3 plus root 5, and this is a minus b, a plus b, so becomes a square minus b square. So a square is root 3 square, b square is root 5 square. We can multiply 5 into bracket, then we have 5 root 5, or we can keep it same also. So root 3 square 3 minus root 5 square 5. What we get? 5 root 3 plus 5 root 5 upon 3 minus 5 is minus 2. So this is how we have rationalized the denominator. Denominator से हमने root हटा दिया है, right? So this method is called rationalizing the irrational number, or rationalizing the denominator, or same way we can rationalize the numerator also. Now can you solve the example 20? Solve it as your homework, or next you have to solve exercise 1.5 of your exercise, and I will solve some of the questions related to exercise 1.5 in next video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.